I only wanted adventure in life, but you are adventure itself. I only wanted adventure itself. I'm surprised to find myself discovering a deeper love for you as time goes by, as time goes by, as time goes by. When the impermanence of life strikes me, I can't help but feel overwhelmed with sadness. The rest of our lives doesn't seem long enough. This is why I try to savor each moment. I will always choose you, no matter what circumstances are. I say this with no reservations, because I know in every fiber of my being that I can no longer imagine life differently or without you. I will always choose you, love you deeply, and always I'd find you and I'd choose you.
You chose Iceland as a venue for your commitment. Iceland is a country of contrast, an island of opposites. Air, water, earth and fire come together in a forceful blend, which gives our little island the amazing landscapes and rich resources that it's famous for. Like the ever-changing landscape of this little island, so is your relationship.
Separated by languages, distance, and culture, we still ended up on that same beach that day. In a planet so vast, I'm so grateful we found each other. I love you deeply and always. I choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality. I'd find you and I'd choose you. Whatever happens from now on, you will never be alone. Wherever you may be, whatever situation you find yourself in, remember that you can always rest in my love.